today. Who does a scrapyard right in a snowstorm? Ha ha! Guess what? Smoking Metal CarFun. We're gonna take a ride to see how it is out here and make a couple dollars at the same time. But we're gonna take our time out here. So it's your boy CeeLo from Smokin Metal CarFun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that we put out. Because we trying to put it out for 2024. So this is a POV ride to the scrapyard on a snowstorm day in 2024. Yes, I think the day is what, the 6th?
Yep.
Yes, 6 days after the new year. And this is what we got. Storm. So, yep, we're gonna ride out here and see how it is. See if they what they shut down, because it looked like things might shut down. So if we can make some money while we out here checking the roads and seeing how things is, then we can. So this is a Smokin Metal CarFun POV ride. Pennsylvania. Right now we're on Route 403. And as you can see, we got a few people out here in the streets still. So far, so good. Yes, indeed. Hopefully you guys having a great day wherever country, state y'all living in. Because we're going to enjoy the day too. Me and the kids, the wife is in Pittsburgh working. They getting a bad snow up there too. They up further up in the mountains. It don't look like they did too hot on salting these streets, do it? Because I feel like, you know, it should have been, maybe it came down a little quicker than they expected. Just a little quicker than they expected. Good thing we changed the tires out, because we'd probably be everywhere, all over the road. I ain't gonna say that, but it wouldn't have been as good as it is now. You know? But yeah. People, they got cars that shouldn't be out here. I say stay in the house. Be a little short video. I ain't gonna say too short, because about maybe 15 minutes to the scrapyard, but probably take a little longer than that. So far we 3 minutes in. You know, hopefully we don't see nobody with no accidents out here. To the bar already? Yeah. Taco Hill not open yet. Taco Hill Tacos ain't open yet. Oh, look at the little dog out here. Like, man, why you got me down at the bottom of
we gonna get stuck?
It ain't that deep yet to get stuck.
Yeah, but you said we're gonna be the first ones to go in. You didn't say out.
And then I said out. I delayed my out. But if you really come out here and disrespect the road, expect to have an accident, you know, even if you're in a car that don't have all-wheel drive, you know, respect the snow. Respect Mother Nature's, you know, because she ain't gonna play with you if you gonna play with her. Yeah, what you say, karma? Yeah, if you ain't got the vehicle to be playing in this stuff, I say don't do it. Do what you gotta do, drive where you gotta go. You know? Now we getting ready to actually pull a hill. We're gonna see how that go. Hopefully it's a little clearer up that route. But as of right now, all the streets is covered. Coming down off that hill is covered. And so, yeah, these tires are definitely a lot better. You know, the other ones, we done wore them out. Last winter. So, y'all out here, I do suggest before you get a snowstorm, if you haven't changed your tires out, change them out, y'all. Honestly, it ain't just keeping you safe, it's keeping people on the street safe too. Because it's wicked out here, as you can see. This is all hill going up. For the people that coming down, hopefully they taking their time. Because it is slippery out here. Right now we're in four-wheel drive. I got my kids with me, so we playing it safe while we out here just seeing how the roads is in Pennsylvania. See how they come around that curve. Somebody come around that curve and slide right into you if they ain't got good tires. You know what I mean? Area right here, they got the, you see the curve, 20 miles an hour, and that's with no snow. So just, you know, you out here, take your time going around these curves, because it can be bad if your tires ain't gonna hold up. Any other time I'd have probably messed around and drift the curve. But no, we take no chances with our kids. They the future, y'all. So play it safe out here with your kids. Geese over there. Over in the park. They full of geese. Out here in the snow. They out here walking. I can't do it. If I had to, you know what I mean? That is what it is, you know what I mean? But we ain't doing that. MTA out here picking people up, going their way, or we're in Pennsylvania, so it ain't MTA. I think it's something else. I don't catch the bus. Tram Cam. That don't sound like a good name.
He's everywhere getting suspicious.
car following a little too close to that bus for me. You see how far back I am? You already know. We out here in this bad weather. You don't ride up on nobody, because what if they slide into them? Because they misjudge their brakes. That's another thing. Don't press on your brakes real hard too, people. You know? Press on your brakes, just expect to slide. And man, there's nowhere I live at. There's nothing but hills. You never know. Bend at the corner and the light turn green on you. You know, I mean red on you. You know, then you gotta stop or try to stop. Not good. You know, I got a young man back here ready to get his license. He need to understand how you drive out here in the snow. What do you say? Yes, indeed. He say, I say, yes, indeed. I don't know if y'all can hear him back there. But, yeah, yes, indeed. It look like our old neighbor right there at that light. Rear-wheel drive Mustang. That's the new 2023, 24, 5.0. No, it definitely ain't a dark horse. It's the 5.0. Yeah, it was coming. It was down yesterday.
Oh, yeah, that works for me.
Where's your thing? Is it in the door?
It done came out.
Yeah. Oh, that is our neighbor. I know the sticker at the top behind us. He probably like, damn, that is him.
Oh.
Yeah. Our old neighbor. Huh?
Which street was that?
The one right there on the main street. Right there by the church that burnt down.
Oh, yeah.
He on the corner.
Yeah.
Across the street from the church.
Yep. He probably recognized you from the stick on the back.
Exactly.
You
Because
don't know
he probably saw the tires was like,
that ain't him.
them rims like, that ain't him. They blue and silver. Yeah, bro, we changed out that winter shit. I mean, our old shit. You see how far he driving behind me? You know, that's how you supposed to drive.
Keep the distance.
Keep your distance. You know, I never went back and checked to see if my fog lights worked. I wonder if they work. I have to see. They might have decided to work. I don't know if we ever disconnected them. I left them connected. He probably like, he going scrapping out here in the snow?
Yeah.
POV, bro. We out here doing a POV drive. Ain't going to the scrapyard. All at the same god dang on time. Get some money while we make some money. You know what I mean? And I don't know if his Dodge is 4-wheel drive. I think it is though, to be honest with you.
Skip was saying these things, they have like steps on the side you can walk down them.
It's closer to
Get
the water.
closer to the water to magnet it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you see the steps like right over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have them. There's like one over there.
He kept straight.
Huh?
I said he kept straight.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's a good thing though. Go right there and walk down and see if you can get anything magnification.
I'm almost 100% sure I can find just one thing.
What you say? Well, I can get one thing.
All
right.
John Smokin, all stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
I got the first one off.
Alright, get that one off. Right.
Why are you so happy?
But I really had to take off this one.
I don't know. They take it.
They might take it.
That's ours. No, ours.
Ours is the red one, which I got it off.
place closed in 13 minutes trying to get there. See, out here in the snow with these little hills, you know. We in a PA state, nothing but hills, man.
But you got it in four-wheel drive though.
Exactly. You know,
She taking it like a champ.
she definitely is. Yeah. With the roads being the way it is, I could have drove to Pittsburgh, but I ain't want to take that chance because other people. You know what I mean? So don't want to take that trip to Pittsburgh to go see the wife at the hotel where she working at right now. They out here on the side of the road walking. He ain't got no hat on. His head was snowy. That's crazy. I was going a little too fast, but you know, y'all should have seen that. Nigga want to stop and give him a hat. If I see him on the way back, I might just stop and give him a hat, y'all. Just cut through the alley, but look, train rolling through. Mailman. Rain, sleet, and snow.
Can you find it for me?
They don't know.
Why?
Ain't no difference. They get out here and get that money. Yes, indeed. How many cars still on the lot? Up a few. They might have closed the gates. They might be like, these dudes always showing up 5 minutes before we close. That
This
gate,
time we 9 minutes.
the gate might be closed. I told you. We tried, y'all. We tried. We just came down just to see what was gonna be popping. Do a little POV video. The scrapyard closed up on us 10 minutes early.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he down there. Yeah, I'd have stopped and gave him my hat, but he all the way down there.
Isn't there a way to cut through?
I don't know, maybe. But you can't cut all the way through. Oh, you can. Oh, okay. There ain't no car behind me. No.
Fly.
I know I'm sliding. Yeah, my good hat too, but you know, I'd rather give it to somebody who need it. He made it past yet?
I don't think
Nah. Let me stop. Excuse me.
Turn the camera. So that they can see that too. Y'all were just barely in frame. I tried to tell Trent to turn it, but you started walking away.
No, y'all couldn't get it.
Like when you handed it to him, they saw that.
I just wanted to give them the hat. I don't even care if they didn't see it or not.
Right.
You know what I mean? 'Cause he like, oh, I'm okay. No, man. Here, take this hat. You need it more than I do. I know he homeless. I ain't got no money to give him, but shit, I give him a hat. And you can see he's sick because he had the droop
Yeah.
in the jaw. So,
Yeah.
you know. had. You got people out here like that, man. That hurt. I wish I could have did more for him, but you know, other than nothing.
Can't always
Yeah,
help, but you can improve it.
yeah. You know, that was crazy though. I mean, his whole head was icy, bro. He been walking for a minute. Head icy, clothes wet, boots, shoes, his shoes. That's sad, man. Hey, look, if y'all can help y'all people out here, help y'all people. It don't make a difference what color they is, what nationality they are. Just help out if you can. And that's what I felt like I call myself doing. Hold up. Just a little bit of stuff that we was gonna take to the scrapyard, you know, a nice little thing, you know. And just so y'all see, these are the wheels that was on the Magnum. Hey, look, this is real life, you know what I mean, out here for me. You know, I can't fake the funk. I ain't got no money to buy brand new tires, so the Magnum had new tires on it. So therefore, we went on and switched the Magnum rims out, being as though like I tell y'all all the time, I ride them with fat tires. So therefore, I was able to put them on the truck. And I don't like it. I'm used to the big meat, so this is what we doing right now. And of course, my son gonna play with the snow, and cause he got gloves on, I don't. So I ain't playing with him. I ain't got time for it. Cause if I had gloves on right now, I'll pop the mess out of his ass. And now he in the truck. Hopped in there real quick so he ain't get hit with no snow. No, where you going?
Why?
Where you going?
Why?
Hello?
I was sitting right there.
Other side, please. In the back. No. In the back. Goodness gracious. Kids. They want to play. She want to play in the snow. We out here trying to play it safe. You know? She like, I supposed to be in the front seat. No, get in the back. Get in the back. But yeah, we riding a bunch of different colors out here right now. We are blue and silver here with green hood, red fog lights. That tell you how we living right now. You know, it's cold, ain't no paint job. I can't paint like I was at the other house right now. And this is the black wheel, and then we got a blue wheel and silver. So we rocking Mitch Mac right now, y'all. Hey, ain't no shame in my game. It is what it is. But guess what? My wheels is good and I'm safe. So that's what we doing today. And I catch y'all on the next one. Look, see what I say? Mitch Mac status right now. Mitch Mac colors. They all same rim, all same tires, same size, but Mitch Mac status. So I catch y'all, man. We getting ready to head home. Peace.